Hey, what's up guys? So on this video about this new website, I'm going to be withdrawing 1.2 USD. So on the previous video that I made about this website called Beeezo, you can see I actually made the video about 3 days ago, and of course a lot of people are actually signing up and they are making money real time. Okay, so on this video that I made the other day, I actually withdrew about 0.093 cents, and on this video guys, I'm going to be withdrawing up to 1 USD because a lot of people don't believe that the withdrawal actually works. All right, so and one good thing about this website is that you don't need to make any deposit. Okay, you don't need to make any deposit. Everything that you are doing here is totally free. Just like I said earlier, you only need to complete simple task in order for you to earn. All right, that means you get paid for completing simple task. All right, so I took my time, and within a couple of minutes I was able to complete all the tasks right here. You can see no task is remaining. I've literally completed all the quests, and of course you can see only 2 quests are under review, and of course other ones I've completed them, and right now I have my balance to be 1,246 reward coin. Now, what are reward coin? Reward coin are the coin of this platform. It is like their native token. You get rewarded on their native token, and that native token you can instantly convert it to real USDC. All right, and withdraw it to your wallet. All right, let me show you guys my wallet right now. So over here on my wallet, let me show you. Okay, on my wallet, this was what I was actually this was what I earned on the last video. You can see this wallet is actually meant for this platform, and this was what I withdraw on that video. Okay, that was 0.1 cent actually, and on that platform you do not need to pay any gas fee before you withdraw. You do not need to do any extra thing before you withdraw. The withdrawal is instant, and like I already told you guys, I'm going to be making a withdrawal right on this video so that you guys can see it. Okay, so if you want to be getting a full detail of how you can be able to interact and be able to earn from this platform, what you need to do is simply come over here and watch this particular video. Okay, watch this particular video right here. One task equals $1. So you come over here, you watch this particular video, and after watching the video you are going to be able to know or how you can be able to interact on this website, how to withdraw, and every single thing concerning this website. I explained it on that video. So right now, remember, we still give out Tone Coin to our community members. So if you are interested in getting the Tone Coin, what you need to do is very simple. Okay, so what you need to do is simply go ahead right now. That is if you want to participate on the Tone Coin giveaway that we run on this channel. What you need to do is simply go ahead to subscribe to our YouTube channel if you haven't done that yet. All right, so once you subscribe, click on this bell icon and select all, so that whenever I post new video you will get notification immediately. Okay, so after that, also go ahead to give this video a thumbs up like this. Then finally, make sure you share the video. Very important, share the video, then drop an interesting comment right there telling me whatever you think about the video. So with that being done guys, let's now go ahead and make the withdrawal from this website. Okay, so like I've told you guys, you don't need to make any deposit. You don't need to pay any gas fee to withdraw. Everything is totally free, 100% on this website. So let me show you how I'm going to be able to withdraw the reward that I have already accumulated. So I need to click over here on reward. Okay, over here on reward, I will click on it. So once you click on it, you are going to be brought right here. You can see the wallet that I created specifically for this website. I have connected it already. So you need to connect your wallet, because the wallet you are connecting is the wallet where your reward are going to be sent to. Okay, so first thing right here, you can see they are going to be showing your balance over here. In this case, my balance is 1,246 reward coin, and they are going to be giving you a quick guide on how you can be able to claim it to your wallet. So first thing, you need to claim your coin right here. We are going to be making the claim, and once you claim it, then we are going to be making a swap right here. And before you make the swap, about 20 to 30 RC is going to be converted into pool. The pool that is going to be converted to is going to be used to cover the gas fee. Now you can see the same reward coin that you are accumulating from this website is going to be converted to pool, and that pool is going to be used to pay the gas fee that they are going to be using to convert this RC coin into actual USDC. So right now, let's practicalize it right now. So I will click over here right now on claim. Okay, once I click on claim, I need to specify the amount I want to withdraw. In this case, I'm going to withdraw 1,200. Let me just withdraw 1,200. Okay, so that I will leave the rest to cover the gas fee. Okay, so I will click on continue right now. Okay, and in just a moment, you can see right now, claiming 1,200 RC, I need to pay a gas fee with the same coin that I'm claiming, which is basically 2 RC right here, and I'm going to be receiving 1,000. No, let me make some little adjustments right here. Okay, so right now I'll just click on continue right now. You can see over here the 2 RC that I just added right now is going to use to offset the gas fee, and I'll be claiming 1,200 RC completely. So the remaining balance is going to be 444 RC. I'll click on continue, and in just a short while right now, the claiming is going to go through. All right, just give it a little time to load up, and in just a matter of seconds, we are going to be good to go. Okay, you can see over here the claim is now successful. So right now we have successfully claimed 1,200 RC. So we come over here to swap. Okay, so over here on swap right now, you can see the crypto wallet balance right now is this, because I already have 3 remaining on my balance after I withdrew, which I show you after the withdrew, which I show you on the previous video. So what I need to do right now is to specify the amount that I want to withdraw, which is basically swapping the RC, which I got from this platform, to USDC. And after that, it is going to be reflecting right here on my wallet. Let me show you guys what I have on my wallet. Okay, so over here on my wallet, you can see, just for witnesses, you can see I only have 0.1 USDC right here, and I have 0.1 pool right here. Okay, so take note of that. Let me go back to the website and proceed. So let me put the amount I want to withdraw right here. I want to swap 1,203. Okay, so I want to be swapping everything. So I will click on continue right now. So once you click on continue right now, you can see they are going to be showing you this confirmation message. We are now swapping 1,203 RC, and we are going to be receiving 1.203 USDC. Okay, so right now if you are okay with it, so I will click on confirm. So confirming this right now, my wallet is going to be popping up for me to confirm the transaction, because of course I've already connected my wallet, and whatever I'm doing here, I need to confirm it from my wallet, because when I do the claim, it is going to be reflecting into the wallet that I connected. So you can see over here, I'm going to be receiving 0.12 USDC, and they are going to be minusing 0.203 RC from my wallet, because the RC, like I said earlier, is like the utility token. Once you claim it, you can see it inside your wallet if you add it. I'm going to be showing you how to add it after this video. So to confirm this, I will click on confirm right now. Okay, and you can see the transaction is currently processing, and in just a matter, okay, you can see immediately swap completed successfully. And that is basically how you withdraw from this website. Okay, I'll be leaving the link right there on the video description box. And remember, the fact that there is no more task available, the fact that there's no more tasks, I've completed all these tasks. Okay, you can see it has played off. You can see the fact that there is no more task available doesn't mean that other tasks are not going to be provided. So in just a matter of time, you are going to be seeing other tasks available right here for you to complete and get to claim your reward into your wallet. Okay, I've just taken my time to complete all the tasks. Other tasks are coming. So right now, let me go take you back right now. So remember, I have now successfully made the withdrawal, and over here you can see my balance is now 44 RC. When I click over here right now, you can see there's nothing left for me right here, only the 44 RC that is remaining. So once you connect your wallet successfully, the next thing you need to do is to click on add RC. If you click on add RC, then when you go to your wallet, you are going to be seeing your RC balance right there. That is after you must have claimed it. So you can also, you have USDC right here, which you can see already on my wallet. So right now, let me open up my wallet. Okay, let me show you that it has reflected right there. Okay, and right here, opening my wallet, you can see my balance has just changed right here. It has changed, and right here right now, let me show you. You can see the transaction which we have confirmed. Let me go to token, and over here you can see the USDC balance has increased. All right, the USDC balance has increased. So the reason why this website is 100% free is because the RC which you are going to be claiming after you complete any given quest is going to be used to get this pool for you, and you are also going to be using the RC to convert into USDC. All right, now I can use this USDC for whatever reason. So the reason why I'm making this video is just to prove to so many of you who have the doubt that the website is not working, to prove and clear your doubt that the website is working. And one good thing is that it is 100% free. So for you who is going to be starting right now, all you need to do is simply click on the link right there on the video description box, and once you click on the link, you are going to be brought over here to this website where you need to simply input your email, confirm your email, and you are going to be brought to this website. What you need to do is to make sure you do your verification. That is very important step. You can see over here, I am verified. Make sure you do your verification, because if you don't do your verification, you won't be able to complete any task right here. All right, so once you do your verification, then you come over here to quest, complete the available quest, wait for it to review, and after reviewing it, then you are going to be rewarded with the RC coin, which you can then follow the process that I've shown you right now to convert to USDC, withdraw it to Binance, KuCoin, anywhere you want to withdraw it to, and then convert it. Remember, this website is still very new. More and more good updates are coming, and if you are seeing this video right now, you are definitely the most lucky, because definitely you are going to be getting the highest reward. Okay, so for example, right now, what I mean by review is that, for example, you can see 2 tasks are currently pending on review right now. When I click on check right now, you can see let me show you. You can see I've completed this task right here, and of course you can see this task is going to be earning me 0.05 USDC, and this one right here is going to be earning me 0.1 USDC. Now tell me, which website or browser or platform pays you 0.1 USDT simply for following a social media account? So just for following them, you get paid 0.1 USDC. For just joining their Telegram, you get paid 0.05 USDT. But they are not going to be giving you USDC directly. They are going to be giving you the RC coin, which is the reward coin. And the reward coin are those things that you can convert to USDC following this process that I've shown you earlier. So you can see 100 RC is equivalent to 0.1 USDC, and 50 RC is equivalent to 0.05 USDC when you do the complete the conversion. So coming over here to completed task, you can see these are the list of tasks that I've completed. So one other thing that I needed to take note of right here is the spot left. Okay, you can see over here only 15 spots is left right here, meaning that after 15 persons have completed this task, then this task is no longer going to be available, and after 210 persons complete this task, it is no longer going to be available. All right, so that is how it works. I needed to take note of those things right there before you go ahead to complete any task. All right, so basically this is all you need to know as far as this website is concerned, and I think I've proven the legitimacy of this website. It is now left for you to actually go ahead and join in if you wish to. If you wish to, the link is going to be right there on the video description box, and once you click on the link, do not change the referral code. The referral code is going to be there automatically once you click on the link right there on the video description box. I will also be leaving the link right there on the video comment section. Thank you for watching, and I'll be talking to you on the next update dropping very soon. Remember to go ahead and watch this video, this particular video right here. I'll be leaving the link to this video on the comment section and also on the video description, so that you can come over here and watch this video to go to learn what you need to do in order for you to interact successfully on that website. All right, so thank you for watching, guys. Do not forget to like and subscribe and join the membership if you really care to. All right, so thank you for watching, and I'll be talking to you on the next update dropping very soon.